Induction cooking. Induction cooking is not some radical new technology. It has long been widely used around the world. But in the last few years, the technology has improved so much and the cost has dropped so much that a new ware of equipment has become for in new installation worldwide in the next few years. How induction cooking works. When an induction-compatible cooking ware is placed in this magnetic field, the field transfers its energy into the ware, causing it to heat up. By raising or lowering the magnetic field, you control the amount of heat generated by ware. It does not heat the air around, so your kitchen stays cooler. How to use. 1. Center a cooking ware on top of the ceramic plate. 2. Press the power button. The unit will automatically begin at the medium height for setting. 3. Press the increase temp button to increase the heat. 4. To turn off, press the power button again. The power indicator light will go out to indicate the unit is off. Cookware use. Also, any cookware with the induction symbol will work. All magnetic stainless steel. All enamelware made of iron or magnetic steel and quartz iron. Thank you.